Alright, I am happy to say that this system is operational. The 4 kilovolt batteries from the Alt-E store are in system, working, balanced, and appear to be working fine. But I've only had the system energized for about 25-30 minutes or so, but I'm running it at full power right now with sun. Let me show you a couple of things that I ran into. The first thing that I don't know if it was a problem or not, but this battery seemed to work itself out. Somehow it made almost 0.5 volts overnight and then balanced itself out with everything else. But let me show you what the working voltages are right now. So you got one battery right here at 2642. Then you have one battery over here at 2642. Installed the copper strapping, made sure every bolt was tight. Cleaned up the 2-aught cables here. Those are the ones I had on there before. They ohmed out good, tested good. Everything's fine. And I cleaned up all the buses here. Made sure everything was Guten tight. That's 4-aught going up into the inverter. So everything was good to go. The one problem, hiccup, that I had this afternoon was with these Midnites. So I had everything hooked up, everything was going hunky-dory, doing everything by the book, going slow, taking my time, being safe, and I turned on the one Midnite here on the left. That's my main array with 2,400 watts attached, and it turned on fine, all that. Then I looked down here, and both these meters shot up to 32 volts. I didn't have the inverter on, or was inverting, but these things shot up really high, and I was like, what? Whoa, whoa. So I just slammed the frickin' breakers down, wondering what the hell is going on. So I tried the other two, and they all did the same thing. So I said, okay, I'm smarter than this. So what I had to do was do factory resets on all 3 of these guys, and now everything's stable. It came right up. I reset everything for, here, I'll show you. This is actually better than what they say to do. So this is what I have it set for. 27.7 absorb and 27.6 float for a 24 volt system. You go over here to their important read, please read first. It says to set it up for 28.2. I'm lower. And the reason why I'm lower is when I wasn't inverting, these babies were reading 28.1 when I had this thing set at 27.7 in float. So take the meter reading at the battery is the best indication. Outback came up fine. I adjusted all the parameters for the Outback for cut in and cut out voltages per the directions. Make 3 is good to go. All the breakers are up. Right now I'm running about a 1.2 kilowatt load, but this thing shot up to about 2.7 kilowatts. It's a 3,500 watt inverter, so it's a 24 volt system. But I will be running and possibly swapping that inverter out for a 48 volt system. I already got the jumper cable to make a 48 volt battery out of about 4 of these guys ready to go. So appears to be working. We'll see how it holds overnight. Like I said, it's only been about 25-30 minutes I've had this system up, and it appears to be stable. Alright guys, hey, thanks for your inputs and advice if I talk to you on the phone or online. And I'm lithium powered now. All the Trojans are gone. No more Trojans. Goodbye. Just load them up in the truck there, and adios amigos. Alright guys, have a good rest of your Sunday. See you next time.